Requesting access for property tax accounts is easy and convenient on MyDORWAY. If you are a tax account manager, you may need to request access to manage your client's business, personal property, manufacturing, or utility property tax accounts on MyDORWAY. For information about signing up for MyDORWAY or managing other tax accounts, visit dor.sc.gov/MyDORWAY. To get started, log into your MyDORWAY account. Click the More tab at the top of the page. Click the Request Account Access link located in the Access panel. On the next screen, enter the ID type, ID number, and legal name of the business you are requesting access to. Once you're finished, click Next. Fill out the information for the account you are requesting access to. Use the drop-down menu and choose the Letter ID option to validate your access. This process applies to business, personal property, manufacturing, and utility property tax accounts. You can find a valid letter ID listed on any property tax notice that the SCDOR has sent to you. If you choose the I do not have a letter ID option, you will be prompted to agree under penalty of perjury that you have permission to access the account you have requested. This option will only allow you to file returns on behalf of the taxpayer. Once you're finished, click Next. Review the information on the summary page to make sure everything is correct. Once you're done, click Submit. You will be asked for your password, which serves as your signature. Enter your password and then click OK. The confirmation screen will appear next. Print or write down your confirmation number. You'll need it to reference this request. Clicking OK will take you back to your MyDORWAY homepage. The owner of the business will receive an email about the account request. They will also see a copy of this request in their notifications when they log into MyDORWAY. The customer you requested access to will be listed once you log back into the system. Click the customer's name under the Select a Customer tab to access their account. For more information about MyDORWAY, including tutorials and how to sign up, visit dor.sc.gov/MyDORWAY. Be sure to reach out to our property tax teams if you need assistance. We are here to help. Thanks for watching.